Explore 100+ designs to transform your terrace into a chic, modern oasis. Transforming your terrace into a chic, modern oasis is more than just a home improvement project. It's about creating a personal sanctuary where you can unwind, entertain, or simply enjoy the beauty of the outdoors without stepping out of your home. With over 100 design ideas to choose from, the possibilities for creating your dream terrace are endless. First, let's consider the importance of furniture. Your choice in seating can set the tone for your outdoor space. For a modern look, opt for sleek, minimalist pieces made from materials like metal, teak, or weather-resistant rattan. Modular sofas, lounges, or daybeds not only provide comfort, but also offer flexibility in arranging your space to fit any occasion. Pair these with colorful, plush cushions to add warmth and personality. Lighting also plays a critical role in transforming a terrace into a chic oasis. Consider incorporating different layers of lighting to create depth and ambience. String lights or festoon bulbs can add a whimsical touch, while LED strips can offer subtle, sophisticated illumination. Solar-powered lights are environmentally friendly and low maintenance, ideal for lighting pathways or accentuating plant beds. Speaking of plants, they are essential in any terrace transformation. Vertical gardens or potted plants can introduce lush, green elements that soften the modern look and connect your space with nature. Choosing a variety of plants that thrive in your climate and fit your lifestyle is key. For a touch of elegance, consider bamboo or tall grasses, which can also double as natural screens to add privacy. Incorporating water features is another way to elevate your terrace design. The soothing sound of running water can transform your terrace into a serene retreat. Options range from minimalist water fountains to more elaborate water walls, depending on your space and budget. Don't forget about flooring, which significantly impacts the overall aesthetic. Composite decking provides a modern, durable surface, while stone or porcelain tiles offer a sleek, polished finish. For a warmer feel, consider natural wood decking, which can be both stylish and sustainable. Accessories such as outdoor rugs, throw pillows, and decorative objects like sculptures or lanterns can personalize your terrace, adding layers and texture. Consider using weather-resistant materials that will withstand the elements while maintaining their beauty over time. Shade structures like pergolas or retractable awnings not only provide relief from the sun, but also an architectural interest. These can be adorned with climbing plants or draped fabric for a softer, cozier ambience. Lastly, consider how you want to use your terrace. Is it a place for dining, lounging, or entertaining? A well-planned layout can accommodate multiple functions, from a cozy breakfast nook to a full-fledged outdoor dining area equipped with a barbecue grill or even a pizza oven. In conclusion, transforming your terrace into a chic, modern oasis requires thoughtful planning and a keen eye for design. By carefully selecting furniture, lighting, plants, water features, and accessories, you can create a space that's not only aesthetically pleasing, but also functional and inviting. With over 100 design ideas at your disposal, you're well equipped to create the terrace of your dreams, a perfect blend of style, comfort, and functionality that will serve as an extension of your indoor living space.